So when Tom and I collaborated to design the perfect, ultimate dream workshop, I knew we had to add storage first and foremost. So I turned to my go-to shelving solution, the built-in shelves.
Look at our storage right here. We've got an 8-foot span. This is great. We got all our lumber off. It solved our lumber solution for our workshop. And I think it works great and it looks great.
So we want to make something that was very simple, that you can use with just a few tools. Maybe have your Home Depot rip your plywood in half, so all the shelving is just plywood ripped in half to 24 inches wide, so there's zero waste. It's all framed with just simple off-the-shelf 2x4s, some screws. Very simple, very economical, very easy way to get your shop cleaned up so that you can really start to have some fun in it.
And I love that it's 2x4s because easy to work with and durable. It's never gonna break. We could load this thing up with lumber and we're good, no problems.
So if you can build houses out of it, you certainly should be able to build shelving out of it.
Definitely.
So,
Well, it's good.
Yeah, and I love the fact that we don't have any center posts, so if you're working with 8-foot material, which is very common, you're not having to try to wiggle it into your shelving. It's just a matter of throwing it up there and you can start working with it quickly. We sized these for totes, so you can put everything in totes, label it, put it away. If totes aren't your thing, you can easily customize it to fit whatever your storage needs are.
And I think the only hard part we had was leveling this, right?
Yeah.
Because if you're on a sloped floor, which a lot of garages may be, you just have to be careful that when you cut your posts, you could use regular wood shims or plastic shims and literally just take them, put them underneath the posts, level them so that the shelves are even with your back plates or your back cleats right there. Let me see, easy, inexpensive, durable. I mean, we're done. That's it. This is perfect. We can move
Put
on
all
to
this stuff away.
put everything
let's
up.
have some
Let's
fun.
move on and do the rest of the workshop.